Yeah, so welcome to DurgaSoft. So myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 16 plus years of experience as a trainer. Okay, and coming to this course, it is core Java. It is nothing but core Java completely. We are going to learn all these Java related stuff, including programs and all. Okay, and the duration of this course is nothing but so we are going to spend, okay, we are going to spend 7 weekends completely. 7 weekends will be there. We are going to finish this particular course. The timings of this session is evening. We will start at 5 p.m. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Okay, around 8 or 8:30 p.m. we are going to stop. Okay, around 3 hours session will be there, sir. 3 hours session will be there only on Saturday and Sunday. Only on Saturday and Sunday because this is weekend batch. So next and after that, what is the fees for this batch? Okay, so the fees for this batch is rupees 5,000. Okay, the fees for this batch is nothing but rupees 5,000. 5,000. Okay, this is nothing but just details about the course, and not from this weekend. So we have to count from next weekend because this weekend completely demo will be there. Next, coming to the syllabus. Sir, what syllabus we are going to cover as a part of this particular course? Okay, listen carefully. These things are very, very important. Coming to the syllabus, first of all, we are going to spend some time to discuss. Okay, yeah, Java new features also will be covered. Please wait, I will explain in the syllabus. Sir, introduction to the introduction to the programming we are going to cover. Introduction to the programming, like why we need to go for a program, what is the need for programming, okay, why programming is going to play an important role, and these are inputs for IT industry. Next, we are going to see introduction to Java. Of course, completely theory points will be there. Next, and after that, sir, installation of Java. Sir, how to install or installation of Java related softwares. Java related softwares, because we are going to use so many softwares, like we will use Edit Plus, and we are going to use Sublime Text. Next, and after that, we are going to use Eclipse. Okay, next we are going to use NetBeans. Okay, next we are going to use some kind of what you can call, so many IDs. Okay, so many IDs we are going to use. All these things, IntelliJ idea, all these things we will see how to install. But how to install Java I will explain. For all the remaining things, already I prepared video. Matter of 2 to 3 minutes video will be there. Just you can go through that. But of course, Java installation alone I will explain. After that, steps to create. Okay, steps to execute, or steps to create and execute. Steps to create and execute Java program. Sir, if I want to create any Java program, if I want to execute any Java program, what steps we have to follow? Around some 4 to 5 steps are there. I'm going to demonstrate that in detail about these things we are going to cover. Sir, after that, very, very important things, keywords and identifiers. So whenever you are learning some programming languages, so there are some predefined words will be there. Those are called as keywords, and there are some user defined words also will be there. So which is nothing but identifiers. So both we are going to cover as a part of this course. Both keywords will be covered as well as identifiers also will be covered. So next, and after that, in programming, sometimes we have to use documentation, okay, or description about some elements. Like, sir, I am writing something like C is equal to A plus B plus C, or C is equal to A plus B. I don't know what is the meaning of this statement. Sir, immediately after this, we can write something like sum of A and B values. So that what will happen, sir, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if any unknown person opens this particular code, they can understand what is the meaning of this statement. And even for your reference purpose, it will be good. That's why it is always good programming practice to write comments, how to define comments, what are the different types of comments are there, what is mean by annotation, what is mean by comment, all these things we are going to see. Next, and after that, data types. What are the different, very, very important topics, sir. What are the different types of data types are there in Java? Okay. What benefits we are going to get with the help of these data types? Like it is a theoretical part. Parallelly, we are going to see the programming also. Next, and after that, there are some topics with name literals like constants, typecasting, converting one type of data to another type of data. What are the various operators available in Java? So what are various input and output statements? What are the various input and output statements available? Okay. What are the various input statements available? What are the various output statements available? Why? Because these are very, very important. So these are very, very important. Why? Because without that, you can't able to write any program. Then we have selection statements are there. What are the different types of selection statements are there? Iterative statements. What are the different types of iterative statements? These are also called as loops. Next, and after that, so transfer statements. What are the different types of transfer statements are there? Okay. Next, and after that, nested loops. Sir, if you take a loop within another loop, it is called as nested loop. From that, we are going to discuss pattern programming. Pattern programming. Okay. Sir, for this pattern programming, I am going to give videos. Why? Because, sir, it is easy only. First 10 or like that, I will explain 10 programs on this pattern. Sir, like I want to print a pattern like this. Just to improve our coding skills, we have to practice these kind of programs. If I practice these kind of programs, how you have to write the code? What are the loopholes in that? So you will get so much of ideas, sir. Okay, we will get so much of ideas. So like this, if I want to prepare any pattern, how to write a Java program for this? It will be something like square only. Okay, but where we have to print a star, where we have to print a space. So like that, we will write a program. So such a kind of programs, around some 100 programs are there. I will explain 10 programs. For remaining programs, I will give videos. Okay, you have to practice that. So next, and after that, after this, we are going to talk about arrays. Of course, it is internally data structure, sir. Then, so string handling after arrays, string handling in Java. For these two more programs, we are going to practice. Okay. Next, and after that, there is one concept is there called regular expressions. Regular expressions. Sir, up to this, we are going to discuss only fundamentals, how to write the program, what benefits we are going to get. Up to this, we are going to talk about more programs. Sir, do you know, here I am going to give some assignments in the sense, sir, some top 20 problems, which is asked in MNC companies, top 20 problems we will discuss. Sir, in this, for some programs, I may write the solution. For some programs, I will provide video. Okay. So next, and after that, sir, we are going to give hacker rank link for you people, which contains almost 200 programs, on all these fundas, on all these fundamentals, 200 programs are there. I will share this link. Once if the topic got completed, sir, if you take selection statements, around 20 to 30 programs will be there. You can practice on that so that your efficiency is going to be improved. Sir, along with, I'm going to provide even interview questions also. Interview questions with answers. As of now, just I'm going to provide in the form of PDF. So I prepared almost 100 questions. Still I am preparing. So these 100 questions along with answers, I'm going to give that PDF for you people. If possible, I will give videos also for this. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have. Next, after completion of this regular part syllabus, then we have very, very important thing like object-oriented programming in Java. Some people may use the word called oops, object-oriented programming. Okay, so how to create a class, how to create an object, what is mean by inheritance, so what is mean by polymorphism, data abstraction means what, like n number of things are there, sir. We are going to discuss in detail about all the object oriented programming in this. Next, and after that, exception handling. Sir, more real-time examples I'm going to take in this. Okay, with real-time examples, with real-time scenarios, we will see. So during execution of the program, if anything happened, so then how you are going to handle that? Okay, sir, I am performing addition operation, then I am performing division operation, then I am performing subtraction. Sir, I need three lines as the output. I need three lines as the output. But I can't give guarantee, right? Sir, this one may execute. But if the division by 0, if you are trying to take, then immediately this statement is going to raise an error. If this statement is raising any error, so it won't comes to this line. In such cases, how you can handle the situation? So for that, we have to go for exception handling. Okay. So there are n number of things are there internally. Then we have multi-threading is there. For this also, we are going to take some examples. Sir, do you know, I will spend 3 hours only to discuss these two concepts. That much important topic. So next and after that, we are going to discuss about wrapper classes. Next, we are going to talk about collection framework, collection framework, or some people may use the word called collections. Very, very important topic. Very, very important topic. So after whoops, so then we are going to see IO streams, how you can handle file handling, all these things. Okay. So next and after that, database handling, like how to store the information, that is called as JDBC. Like that we are going to discuss. And at last, sir, I'm going to cover Java new features also. Java new features up to now. Up to now. So what are the new features are there? I'm going to demonstrate all the new features. Okay. Sir, don't worry. For Java new features, what are the important features are there? That alone we will discuss in our class. Rest of the things I'm going to share the videos. So I prepared more than 50 videos are there only on new features. One by one feature I explained, and for that, one or two examples I covered. Like that, we have 50 videos are there, but I'm going to take important features in live class. Remaining small enhancements will be there. You can see for a switch case in Java new features, for a switch case, around some 5 to 6 videos are there only on switch case, so that if you see, you can able to understand. So because Java features alone, if I want to take one important course, we need to launch. So that's why, as a part of this, which are required, I will take that one. If anything is mandatory, I will take in live class. Rest of the things I will provide in the form of videos. This is nothing but what is the course content that we are going to cover in this total 7 weekends. Don't worry, all the syllabus is going to be completed within stipulated time period. Maybe if one weekend extended, don't worry at all. Please focus on the content, not on time duration. Okay. So, but exactly at 5 o'clock, we will start. Maybe 5 to 5 minutes delay will be there. Don't worry at all. So 5 or 5 like that I will start, and I will end 8 or 8:15 like that. Meanwhile, break also will be there. If you want 2 times also, we will give break. Okay. Next, sir, videos access, running notes I am going to share. Running notes and sometimes images also will be there. Those things I will share. But recorded videos, you people are going to get only for 6 months access. But whatever videos I told, I'm going to share some videos like pattern programming. Okay, so then Java new features, these videos I'm sharing, right? Java new features and some collection related videos also, and some programming related videos also I'm going to share, right? Those things will be lifetime. Okay, that video link I will share in this document itself. Now, if you are having any queries related to the course or related to the syllabus, you can feel free to ask. Then we will start. Yes, please. Sir, any queries on the syllabus, on the course? If you are having any queries, please. Yeah, Java 17 also we are going to cover. Up to Java 23, we are going to cover. Sir, every version is not stable, sir, because some features will be there, which are very, very important. Those things only we will focus. Okay. Naveen, clear? Yeah. Sir, any queries? Why you people are not speaking? Please confirm.
No queries, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Remaining people, please respond, everyone.
No as of now, sir.
Yeah. Right. Sir, of course, it is a demo. I'm not going to take all the topics. I will directly start the syllabus. I will directly start the syllabus. But the first few topics are almost theory parts, right? So in the demo session, if I'm taking theory part, sir, you may not feel comfortable. Why? Because you need to see how my examples are. Are you able to understand or not? Like this, you have to understand, right? For that, directly, I'm going to start from main topics. Okay, but before that, just I want to write one sample Java program, sir. Every time we need to focus on program, right? So that's why first I'm going to take a Java program. Sir, what is Java program? We know very well every program is nothing but some sequence of instructions will be there like this. Sir, I'm going to use these flower brackets to write a block of statements. Like this, I'm going to take one statement. Like this, I'm going to take one statement. Like this, I'm going to take one statement. Whenever you are executing your Java program, sir, all these three statements are going to be executed. Whenever you are executing a Java program, all these three statements are going to be executed. Sir, okay. So this one we have to take inside main, sir, because program execution, we know one thumb rule. What is that rule? Program execution always starts from main function, or some people may use the word called main method. Always the program execution starts from main method, and the sequence of, or the set of or group of instructions must be enclosed, okay, enclosed within curly brackets. This point also you know very well, sir. I think these 2 points and the syntax of the program, is it clear for you? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Sir, highly recommended to interact. Why? Because you are learning Java by paying some fees. Okay, you need to be get very strong in the coding area. So that's why I request everyone to please interact. So sit in an isolated place for these 3 hours. Okay. So of course today I'm not going to take 3 hours. Generally I'm telling. So sit in an isolated place. Kindly interact with me. Then you can learn more subjects, sir. Okay. Sir, up to these 2 points only I covered. Do you have any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Right. So the next point here is, of course, it is a group of instructions. There are some extra words we have to add for this. Sir, in C language, we are going to use printf function to print output, sir. In C++, we are using C out. In Python, we are using print. Like this, there are some functions are there. Sir, what about Java? Java is a bit important and interesting programming language. More securities will be there. Sir, do you know we are using one special function like this? Later, I will explain this. We will do post-mortem on this. It will be there in our Java syllabus. Okay. Sir, system dot out dot println. This is the function what we have to print a message on the screen. Compulsory yes must be capital. Slowly you will get what is uppercase, what is lowercase, when we have to use uppercase, when we have to use lowercase. Slowly. Why execution program starts from main? It is mandatory, sir. They have given, sir, I want to do something in my system, or I want to watch a movie. What I have to do? First, I need to start the mission. Okay, once there will be a separate key will be there in laptop. If I start that, then laptop is going to boot, then my screen will become, then I have to watch the video or movie. So there should be some starting point, right? I completed my work. I want to take rest. I need to open my room lock. Then I have to enter something like that. So every program execution always starts from main, irrespective of programming languages. This is the basic thumb rule what we have. Clear, Magesh? Next, system.out.println is the function, is the method which is used to print some message on the screen. What message you want to print? That you need to take within double quotation because it is a string. Sir, I am printing a message like hello. What will happen? It will print hello on the screen. This is nothing but how to write a Java program. How to write a Java program. Sir, everyone clear about this? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
are you clear with this terminology?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, everyone please respond. Clear, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Next.
Can
Sir,
you please elaborate system.out.println? What is this?
sir, system.out.println is something like a printf to print some message, cout to print some message. Later we will discuss in detail because these are nothing but class name, static content, method name, like that. Internally some structure is there. If I explain now, you people are going to be feel somewhat uncomfortable. That's why just remember, if I want to print some message, this is the format which you have to use. Later you will came to know what is this. So whenever I'm discussing object-oriented programming language, there you will get a complete scenario about this. Clear, sir?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, sir, in front of main, we need to take some word, sir. What is that word? Anyone having idea? Yes. What is that word?
Modifiers.
Yes, void. We have to take void. Sir, have you remembered void main? Void main. So program execution is going to start from here and it will execute all these instructions and it will run. It will run. Sir, this is nothing but my Java program. This is nothing but my Java program. The people already who knows Java very well, or at least some idea. Sir, is it the Java program? No, right? Can you please confirm?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, because we have to take so many modifiers in front of this, and we need to take a class. We need to do all these activities. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
trust
sir.
me, this is Java program. For trainers like us, sir, it is very comfortable to explain this program for the students. Sir, now I want to run this code. Sir, are you ready to show the output? Now, sir, just we need to click on this is a edit plus editor. I am going for Java program. Sir, simply I will type this. Are you seeing void main, system.out.println hello. If I execute this program, this hello message is going to be printed on the screen, sir. Sir, let me save this file. We have to give some name, right? I am going to use my system. Sir, C drive is there. In that a test folder is there. Inside this, I am going to save the file. What is the file name that I am giving here is, sir, do you know test.java? Any name you can give, sir. But make sure that extension must be what? Test.java. So test.java. Sir, test is nothing but what? Test is the file name. Test is the file name. Sir, what about .java? .java indicates it is Java program. It is Java program. That's all. My Java program is ready. Sir, I want to execute this program. How to execute? Sir, we need to go for some command prompt. I will explain all these installations. Don't worry at all. Okay, because it is a demo session. Just enjoy. Sir, we are in C colon users folder, Prakash folder. I need to come out from all these folders. CD backslash. In which folder we saved the programs? Test folder. CD space test. I entered into test folder. Now, sir, I want to execute this Java program. How to execute? There is some special scenario is there, friends. If I execute Java program directly, we will get error. Sir, how to execute? I already prepared one batch file for this because up to Java 20 version, this is not my Java program. Okay, if I want to prepare Java program, it will be like this. This total story we have to take. In which version? Up to 20. But from 21 onwards, just to make comfortable for the programmers, they introduced nameless classes. Without the name, sir, we can take the class. I mean, without name, we can take the program without a class. Now, I want to run this. How to run? There is one command is there with name Java. Sir, hyphen enable hyphen preview, because it is a preview feature, not a confirmed. Okay. So I want to take source as a 21. And what is the file name? Test.java. Like this, we have to use some command. Sir, if I press enter, have you observed? Sir, test.java uses preview feature of Java Standard Edition 21, recompile with X client for preview details. I don't want all these things. You can focus on only outputs. So Java, I am enabling preview feature of 21 version and we are running the program. Like this, how many versions are there? Sir, 23 versions are there. Every version is having its own features. Slowly, I will explain all these concepts. As of now, people are going to feel difficulty at very beginning, sir. Sir, Java program is this much syntax. No, this is sufficient. Just for your understanding, I explain this. If you are clear with this, then I will go in detail of our Java program. Sir, how to execute Java program? At least some basic idea you got, sir. Clear, friends? Do you have any doubt in this? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Everyone, I need response from everyone. Clear up to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I go for next?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Next. Sir, coming to the normal Java program. Of course, in 21, it is okay. But in normal Java program, how you can able to take? Sir, assume I want to create a file with name demo.java. I want to create a file with name demo.java. Sir, how to create? Assume class, any name you can take, something like demo I am taking. Sir, tomorrow I will explain how to execute Java program step by step. There you will get clarity. Why we need to take only demo? Can I take any other name? Yes, you can take. If you take some other names, what will happen? That we will see. So what is this public? What is this static? In detail explanation. Sir, maybe once if you learn some concepts, then it will be very easy. Sir, how to save this file? You have to give class name. What is the class name that I have taken? Demo. Demo.java. I saved the file. How to run the program? Whether you are using 21 or any other version, there is one standard command is there. Java C. What is the file name? Demo.java. If you type this command, my Java program is going to be compiled. Compilation process. What is compilation process? It will check, is there any mistake in your Java program? Suppose consider, sir, I have used this Java program with some error message. Then what will happen? When you are running the program, are you seeing we are going to get one error message? What is that error message? Semicolon is expected. Boss, I am expecting some semicolon at the end. Can you please insert that semicolon? Like that it is telling. Sir, I have taken, sir, instead of system, I have taken small s. Sir, I told already, there is one predefined library with name capital letter. If you take small letter, what will happen? It is going to raise an error. There is no package with name system. Like that, we are going to raise an error. So how to detect those errors, all these things, if you learn programming language, you people are going to get very clearly. This is another version of Java program which will execute in any versions. Okay. So now this is recommended, sir. How to compile the code? Just now I told Java C demo.java we have to use. How to run the program? Sir, we need to take Java space demo. That's all. We got output as what? Hello world. This is the way how you can able to execute a simple Java program. This is the way how you can able to execute a simple Java program. Up to this, do you have any doubt, friends? Please feel free to ask the doubts. Sir, any queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is everything is okay? Right. Sir, I think you people are okay up to this. Can I go for the main concept? One main topic I will start. Can I start? Introduction and all tomorrow we will discuss. Can I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So the main topic I'm going to start now, which is nothing but data types. Data types. So today and tomorrow we will try to finish this particular topic, data types. Okay. Sir, what is a data type? In your terminology, can you please tell me what is a data type, sir? Just in your point of view. What is data type in your point of view?
Sir, it is a type of data which represented which kind of data we are typing in the code.
Very good. Sir, the type of data that we are using, the type of data that we are using in our program, so is called as data type. Sir, what type of data you are using in your program? Example one. Sir, I want to perform addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers I am taking. Sir, if you want to perform addition of two numbers, tell me generally how we will declare. Can I say integer a is equal to 10, integer b is equal to 20, integer c is equal to a plus b? Sir, these three statements are correct?
Yes,
Please
sir.
confirm. Sir, are you understanding? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, second example, sir, I want to check whether a person is eligible, whether a person is eligible for vote or not. I want to decide. Sir, what I will do? I will take some if condition. So, if the value of age is greater than or equal to 18, so then, sir, eligible is equal to, I will give true. Sir, otherwise, sir, I'm going to give eligible is equal to false. Eligible is equal to false. Sir, do you know this eligible statement you are taking, right? This eligible statement you are taking, right? It should be of type Boolean, something like true or false. Sir, this is nothing but data type. Data type means what? Internally in your program, when you are writing the program, what type of data you need in the program. So we can declare that a type in advance, sir. So then that concept is called as what? Data types. Everyone clear? Please confirm. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Sir, I will take some real-time scenario. Assume I'm developing one employee management system. One employee management system project I'm developing like EMS, employee management system. Sir, in this employee management system, sir, client came up with a different storages with different values. Sir, first they need to store employee ID. They need to store employee ID. Okay. Sir, tell me employee ID is what type of data generally we will use? Numbers only, right? Am I right? Please confirm. Numbers only, right? Ayo. Sir, please respond. Employee ID, what type of data? Numbers only, right?
Yes,
Employee ID
integer.
1, 2,
Yes, sir.
or 101, something like that. Is it integer type of data or not?
Yes, sir, it can.
Yes. Sir, name. I want to take employee name. Is it characters only, right? Group of characters. This group of characters is called as what? String. I want to take a salary of the employee. Sir, salary means what? Something like in points representation, it will be there. Do you know for that technically there is one word is there called float. Are you clear with these three examples?
Yes.
So next, I want to provide gender. Gender. Sir, it is a single character. It is a single character. Male or female will be there. Sir, is the person is married or not? So that I want to provide some extra facilities. No problem. Sir, it is something like Boolean. Status will be maintained. So Boolean, true or false. Like that, you can take any type of data, sir. Internally, for every category, one data type will be there. We have to use appropriate data type in your program. Sir, are you clear with this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Introduction to data types I explained. So now we know the definition of data type. What is data type? Internally, in your Java program, what type of data that you are using? Internally, in your Java program, what type of data type we are using? That will be represented by data type. That will be represented by data type. Are you clear with this terminology, friends? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, now listen carefully. There is one small term is there. Maybe you will feel somewhat difficulty, but don't worry, it is easy only. Sir, in Java, okay, in Java, we have both primitives are there. Okay, in Java, we have both the primitives are there and then objects are also there. We have two concepts are there. One is primitives, another one is object. Sir, what is primitive? What is object? For example, consider I have a small chocolate is there with me. One small chocolate. Just now, I prepared one chocolate in my home. Assume this is nothing but chocolate, what we have. Okay. Or diagrammatically, if I take something like in a capsule format, I'm going to take. This is nothing but a chocolate without any cover. This is called as chocolate. Sir, same chocolate. So I'm going to cover with a wrapper. I'm going to cover with wrapper. So I have taken some beautiful wrapper. Okay. So in that wrapper, sir, we packed this particular chocolate, sir. So this is something like a wrapper. Assume that it is not like a chocolate, but just please feel free. Okay. Sir, clear? So first one is nothing but what my actual chocolate. Second one is chocolate kept in a wrapper. Tell me in the real time, in the real world. Sir, if you are seeing the chocolate in the market in this style, or if you are seeing the chocolate in this style, case one, case two, which you will take, sir?
Case two.
Case two only, right? So this one is called as object, sir. This one is called as primitive. Okay, without primitive, there is no object. Without primitive, there is no object. But in the real time, everything is treated as what? Objects only. Everything is treated as what? Objects only. Sir, can I convert this primitive into objects? Yes. For that, there is one separate topic is there called wrapper classes. Somewhere I told in the syllabus, wrapper classes. There are some wrapper classes are there. What is the purpose of wrapper classes? To convert your primitives into objects and objects into primitives. We can use these wrapper classes. I will explain in detail about this later. So why I am taking here is both primitives will be there, objects will be there. But at the very beginning, we have to understand the primitives. Once if you are strong in primitives, then converting an object is very easy task. Okay. Sir, next, if you want, I will add one more note. In Java, everything in Java, everything is treated as an object only. Everything is treated as an object only. Note 3. Sir, we have, okay, uh, we have conversions or we have methods to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Sir, we have some special techniques are there. We can use those techniques, so our problems are going to be resolved. Are you clear with these 3 note points, whatever I covered now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Right, friends. Now I'm going for the main concept, sir. If everyone is clear with this, then I will start. Please confirm, friends. Everyone clear up to this?
Yes.
Around 12 members are there. I need response from everyone. Please unmute and speak.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Sir, next, whatever information I provided till now is a completely introduction, sir. Introduction to data types. Now I'm going to start the data types. How many data types are there in Java? How many data types are there in Java? In Java, there are 4 data types are there. In Java, the following are the 4 primitive, okay, 4 primitive data types existed. What are those 4 primitives? First one is called as integers. Sir, integers means what? I don't know. No problem. Minus infinite to plus infinite. If you take any number, it comes under integers only. Sir, minus infinite to plus infinite. If you take any number, it comes under integers only. 10, it is an integer. 20, it is an integer. 500, it is an integer. 5,000, 50,000, 5 lakhs, it is an integer. Sir, I have taken like this. Is it integer or not? Yes, everything. Whatever numbers are there in our math, from minus infinite to plus infinite, everything will comes under what? Integer only. Sir, second point. There are some real values also there. Real values. Sir, what is this real values? Sir, if you take 2, it is integer, sir. Sir, if you take 5, it is integer, sir. But sir, if you take 5 by 2, what output we will get? 2.5. Is it integer? No. This is called as a real value. That means if any data is in the form of x by y, if any data is in the form of x by y, where x and y belongs to integers only. Okay, x and y belongs to integers only. Such type of data is called as what? Real values. But technically, we will use the word called floating point, that we will see. Sir, third one, we have characters are there. Characters. We know the characters, right? Small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. Even the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, everything will comes under these characters only. But sir, trust me, in our C language and C++, even in Python, including Java, there are 2 codes are there. One is ASCII code and the second one is Unicode are there. Okay, ASCII code and Unicode. Always we will represent the characters in these 2 formats only. Maybe tomorrow I am going to explain in detail about this. We can use either ASCII code or Unicode to represent the characters. Sir, last one, there is one type is there called Boolean. What is this Boolean, sir? It is used to represent either true or false. Sir, is my value is true or false? We can represent by using which values? Boolean values. These are nothing but 4 types of data types we have, sir. Are you clear with this top level classification?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Sir, if I am taking integer x is equal to 10, can I say we need some memory? We need some memory internally to hold x value. Am I right, friends? If I am taking like this, internally some memory must be required to hold the content 10. The name of the memory is nothing but x. Like this only internally it will be. Are you clear with this terminology?
Yes.
Now I have a small note is there or example. See, I am taking integer a is equal to 10, sir. Integer b is equal to like this. My question is, sir, which variable, okay, takes more memory? Which variable will take more memory? And sir, which variable will take more time? Okay, more time for accessing. Tell me, which variable is going to take more memory, sir, among these two?
Both will
So
most
maybe
probably
B.
take single.
Sir,
Second.
second one, variable b is going to take more memory, right? So if you take b itself, it will take more time to access. Why? Because huge content, right? Sir, just don't go in detail. See in the outline, just like a small kid can answer. Sir, very simple, right? Sir, why we are telling b? Because it is having huge content. Even we can't pronounce this number. Are you getting my point, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm giving a chance for this, sir, assume, sir, there is one person is there. So this person is having a leading family. So around 3 members are there in this family. There is one more person leading another family. So they are having 10 members. Then, sir, these 3 members family, simply they can go for 3 BHK. So this 10%, they can't accommodate in 3 BHK. They need to go for a big complex. Okay, then only they can accommodate. But in this case, if the person is having only 3 persons, if a person is maintaining only 3 persons in their house, sir, going for a big complex is meaningless. Sir, are you feeling the differences? Please confirm.
Can
Clear?
I ask something?
Yeah, please.
Sir, if I'm not wrong, then every integer, whether we are taking int A or int B, it will have a fixed memory. Am I right or wrong, sir?
Sir, you are right, sir. But just I'm bringing slowly into the terminology. Actually, this line is wrong, right?
Okay.
Why?
Yes, it is
Because
not an.
integer is going to have some limitation.
Yes, sir.
This integer is not accommodating. Just for example sake,
Then
slowly
we will
I'm
go with
bringing
long
into
or some
concept.
other.
Yes, exactly. For that only I'm taking this example. Understood?
Okay, sir, carry on.
Yeah, right. So this is nothing but what we have. Definitely we can take int for this, but we can't take int because there is a huge difference is there, right? That's why, sir, based on content, sir, we have divisions, okay, in data types. We have divisions in data types. Like all the integers are divided into 4 types. All the integers are divided into 4 types. Like if you want to take small values, sir, better to go for byte. If you want to take big values, sir, better to go for short. Sir, still big values I want to hold, go for integer. Sir, still big values I want to take long. Still big values I want to take. No, not possible. You can go for object related stuff. Sir, then what about real values? In real values, after a point, if you are taking only 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 precisions, then you can go for float. I want to take 16 precisions, then you can go for double. Then for characters, there is no division, sir, only char. Even for Boolean, there is no division, sir. We have to use the only word called Boolean. Sir, if you count 4 integers plus 2 floating point values plus 1 character, 1 Boolean, sir, total, we have how many data types? Total, we have 8 primitives. 8 primitives are fundamental. 8 primitives are fundamental data types in Java. Total, we have how many primitives? 8 primitives are there, sir. 8 primitives are there. Sir, to convert these 8 primitives, into objects, sir, we have 8 wrapper classes. 8 wrapper classes are there. Slowly, I will explain about that. Don't worry. Okay. Are you clear with this terminology? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Is the subdivision. Sir, now tell me for this, which data type we have to take? Of course, it is
Long.
integer. Among these 4?
Long.
Long. Sir, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Any doubts?
sir, can we use long float?
Sir,
Sir,
we
can
can.
we use long? Sir, can we use long float instead of double?
Yes, we can use, but technically long float is double only.
Okay,
So
okay, sir.
in C language, such a type of what you can call combinations we can take, like a short int, long int, short float, long float, like that we can take. But here, strictly they have given some keywords. Like internally, if you are taking float means it is or double means it is something like long float only.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Internally, such a type of things are there. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just a second. Clear, friends? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
Right. Now, sir, I'm going to talk about these primitives, right? So for every data type, I want to talk about some common properties. Sir, what is that? The following are the some common properties, okay, with respect to data types. What are the common properties? Let me write. Sir, first property is name of the data type. Then, sir, what is the keyword that you have to use? Okay. What about the size? How much size it is going to take? What about the range? How much range it is going to take? For every data type, I want to provide these properties. Along with that, sir, what is the default value? Default value. If you are not giving any value, what default value it will take? And what about wrapper class? So I told for every primitive, there will be some wrapper class, right? Like what is the wrapper class value for that? So like this, for every data type, I want to take these properties. Tell me, sir, from this, what is the first data type that we have? Byte data type, right? For this byte, sir, what is the name? Tell me, what is the name of this data type? Is it integer or not? Please confirm. It is integer only, right? Sir, what is the keyword that we are going to use for this? Byte is the keyword, sir. Tell me what will be the size? What will
One,
be
sir.
this? One byte. It is going to occupy 1 byte. Sir, what will be the range? Sir, 1 byte means how many bits, sir? I have a bigger doubt. 1 byte means how many bits?
8 bits.
8 bits. 8 bits. Am I right? So 1 byte means what? 8 bits. Sir, can I say we are going to get 8 bits here? We are going to get 8 bits here. So this is 0th bit. This is first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bit. Sir, like this we are going to have. Am I right?
Yes.
Is it correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the maximum value that you can store inside this? Can you please confirm? What is the maximum value that you can store? What is the maximum value? Can I take one here? Sir, every cell is capable of storing either 0 or 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So can I take one here? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is it the maximum value or can I take one here? Is it the maximum value or not? Ayyo. Sir, allowed values are only either 0 or 1. If you take all zeros, you will get minimum value. If you take all ones, you will get maximum value. Am I right?
Yes.
But sir, there is one thumb rule is there. Sir, last bit is always reserved for sign, sir. If you take 0, then it indicates it is a positive value. If you take 1, it indicates it is a negative value. I think this rule everyone knows already, right?
Yes.
Now, if it is the case, tell me friends, what is the minimum value that it is going to take? Is it 2 power 0? Is it 2 power 1? So next 2 power 2, next 2 power 3, next 2 power 4, next 2 power 5, next 2 power 6. Is it binary representation only, right? Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
what is 2 power 0 value?
1.
1 plus 2 plus, so 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, so 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, then 64. Am I right? What is this sum,
Yes.
sir? Can you anyone please calculate and tell me?
So 127.
127. Sir, what about sign? Is it plus or minus?
So plus.
Plus, sir.
Plus. Sir, what is the range, sir? Positive value is what? Up to 127 you can take. Sir, how this 127 came from these 8 bits? Sir, you got clarity. Am I right, friends?
Yes.
Everyone clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then, sir, what about this one? How much negative value you can take? Sir, it is a very dangerous concept. In our regular class, we have bitwise operators are there. There again, I will explain, but as of now, just try to understand. Sir, it is nothing but if any number is starting with 1 in binary, it is a negative number. You can't take directly like this. You have to take 2's complement of this number. What is a 2's complement formula? 1's complement plus 1. What is 1's complement? Every 0 will be converted into 1 and 1 will be converted into 0. That is a formula. Sir, here all zeros are there, right? So if you convert every 0 into 1, this is nothing but our result. Am I right, friends?
Yes.
For this, we have to add 1. Tell me what is 1 plus 1. Don't tell 2. It is a binary number addition. 1 plus 1. Is it 1 0 or not?
1 0. 1 0.
1
Yes,
0.
sir.
So 1 and then 0. Sir, then 1 plus 1. 1 0. Sir, 1 plus 1. 1 0. 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 Okay. Then there is nothing here. So you will get 1. Sir, 2 power 0. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. What is the 2 power 7 value, sir?
128.
128. What is the sign that we have to take?
Negative.
Negative. Can I say, so minus 128 to plus 127 is the range for this. Everyone clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
How internally this range we calculated? Of course, only for this example, only for byte data type, I'm calculating. For remaining data types, I want to go like this in detail. So because not required. Okay. So Java is providing some tools to get what is a maximum and a minimum. Just for our convenient purpose, I'm evaluating internally how it will be. If you want, I'm going to share this diagram also for you. Sir, up to this clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then, sir, what is the default value? Sir, I declared one byte, but I didn't provided value. No problem. In other programming languages, if you declared any data type and if you are not giving any initial value, what will happen? They are going to take garbage value, sir, in other languages like C, C++. But in Java, if you are not providing any value for byte, don't worry, it is going to take 0. It is going to take 0. Sir, are you clear with this term?
Yes, sir.
Then what is wrapper class? Sir, same byte only, but B starts with capital. In Java, remember this point. On the first day, I'm going to tell this. Even in future also same scenario. Whenever you are having a class, then it is going to start with capital letter. So if you are taking byte in lowercase letters, it is a keyword, primitive. Whenever you are taking byte, B capital letter, then it is a wrapper class. Got it, friends? Sir, everyone clear?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you want, I want to write a small example Java program, sir. We know already the Java program. Okay. But again, I'm going to write a simple Java program. Like I will give the file name as a test because, sir, what is byte? We have byte class is there, right? I want to know what is the size of a byte, sir. If I run this program, sir, what output we are going to get? Java C test.java, Java space a test. Are you seeing what is the output that we got? 8. 8 means what? It is 8 bits. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Sir, I want to know what is the minimum underscore value. And I want to know, sir, maximum underscore value. Sir, what is the minimum value? Just now we calculated. Is it minus 128 or not?
Yes.
What is the maximum value?
127.
127. Now, if you run the program, you can see, sir, we are getting one error. What is that? Sir, max, spelling mistake. Are you seeing? Variable man underscore value is not found in class byte. If you read the error statements very clearly, 70% of Java you can learn. Have you observed? Minus 128 to plus 127, like that we are getting. Sir, everyone, how we evaluated these things? Internally, support is also there. We are not required to remember these numbers. But how this number came, if any interview person is asking, internally what is happening, we must know, right? For that, I demonstrated this. Sir, everyone clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
No doubt, right, friends? Can I go for next data type?
Yes.
Sir, I am not seeing the response from other students. Around 10 members are there. Please respond. Everyone, please
Clear,
don't
sir.
sleep. Right, good. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Sir, next and after that, I want to take some examples for better understanding purpose. Now tell me, sir, I am taking some lines. Byte B is equal to 10. Is this statement is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid statement. Sir, why it is valid? Because we are giving a perfect value, right? Can I take byte B is equal to, sir, 127. Can I give? Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Sir, can I give byte B is equal to 128?
Invalid.
Invalid, because the allowed range is only 127, right? Sir, what will happen if I am taking byte B is equal to 127? The program is going to compile fine. Whenever you are taking minus 128, what is happening? Sir, are you seeing the error message? Incompatible types. Possible lossy conversion from integer to byte. Sir, whenever I'm converting integer to byte, I'm getting some loss of data. Like that we have. Sir, are you comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I take byte b is equal to minus 128? Can I take?
Yes.
Yes, valid. Can I take byte b is equal to minus 129?
No.
No, invalid. Invalid. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, byte b is equal to, I am taking 1.2. Is it valid?
No, sir.
No,
No.
invalid. Why? Because a different data type, right? Different data type. Are you getting my point? So if you want, let us take 1.2. So what error message we are getting? It is also incompatible types, but possible lossy conversion from double to bytes. I can't convert. Sir, can I take byte b is equal to something like within double quotations ABC? It is also invalid. Something like a string, right? So it is not possible to assign this ABC. Like this we are getting. Incompatible types, string cannot be converted to byte. String cannot be converted to byte. Next, sir, I am taking byte b is equal to, okay, byte b is equal to, I am taking true. Is it a Boolean value or not? Yes, it is also invalid. If you want, you can see. I am taking true or false. So what is output we are getting? Boolean cannot be converted to bytes. But sir, whenever you are taking byte b is equal to some character, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Valid. Why? Because
It will
it is
convert.
it is not a character. Sir, internally it is ASCII value, right? What is ASCII value for small a? Anyone? The programmers, please. What is ASCII value for small a? 97. Am I right? Am I right? So it is valid. Sir, let me print. Really, is 97 is coming or not? We have a big doubt on you. Let me cross check, sir. Like that, if you are asking, you can see. Sir, what is the output that we are getting? 97. So 97 is the ASCII value for B, sir. Okay. Sir, if you are declaring any byte values, byte data type, what are the allowed values for that? The first one is integers in the range of minus 128 to plus 127. Okay. And one character data type with limited ASCII values. This is nothing but byte data type what we have. Sir, any doubt up to this? Please confirm.
No doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, if we use double quotes instead of single quotes in the place of A, then what will be the result?
Sir, it will become, okay, it will become string, sir. It will become string. Again, 198 line is there, right? Same problem you are going to get.
Okay.
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 Any queries?
No.
Sir, everything clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's all. This is nothing but a byte data type what we have. Sir, like this, I want to talk about remaining data types. Sir, still 3 more integers are there, right? So what is another type of integer that we have? So another type of integer what we have is a short. So short data type. Tell me what is the name, sir? It is also integer category. What is the keyword that we will use? Short. Short. So in the place of byte, we have to take short. How much size it is going to occupy, sir?
2 byte.
2 byte. 2 bytes means how many bits? 16. What is the range? What is the range? You try to calculate. Okay. So 32,768 to, so 32,767 is the range. What is the wrapper class name? Short. Yes, capital letter. So if you want, we have a tool, right? We can print. So short dot, I am asking size. So short dot min underscore value. Sir, short dot max underscore value. Like this, I am going to take. Sir, what will happen? You can see 16 bytes minus 32,768 to 32,767. Are you clear with this short integer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, what about byte? Oh, sorry, what about next one? Next one is what? Integer data type, most commonly used data type. Okay, so int. So keyword name is integer, which is going to take 4 bytes. 4 bytes means what? 32 bits. Sir, range is not this much simple, sir. A big range we have to take. But please make sure it is not int. We have to take the complete name. It is not int. So we have to take the complete name. Then see what will happen. Sir, is it 32 bytes or not? Yes. This is the minimum value. Sir, 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. 2, what is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. What is default value? Same 0 only. What about a wrapper class? Just now I told it is not int, it is integer. Are you clear with this int data type?
Yes, sir.
What about long?
Yes,
What
sir.
about long? What about long? Sir, this long data type. What is the name of that long data type? Can I take it as long? Yes, sir. Sir, what is the keyword name? Long is the keyword name. How much size it is going to occupy? How many bytes, sir? 8 bytes. Sir, almost 64 bits you are going to get. What about range? Sorry, sir. I have to write a program to find that long data size, long dot min value, long dot max value. Let us see what will happen. You can see here how much big value it is taking. You can imagine. This is nothing but minimum value what we have. This is nothing but minimum value what we have. 2. This is nothing but maximum value what we have. Like this we have. Sir, what is a wrapper class name? Long. So all these integer 4 types of data types I demonstrated. Do you have any doubt up to this, whatever I covered? Please confirm.
No.
Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No.
Sir, everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's all. So this is nothing but today's demo. Okay. So I'm going to continue this tomorrow also.